Okay, I am going to buy some debt token using the swap feature in Safepal app. I'm not going to go to dapps and go to Pancake Swap. I'm going to use the swap feature that's in Safepal to do all that for me. Now, it will cost me more in gas fees and in network fees for doing it because SafePal is doing all the work for me, but it's a simpler process and I just want to show you how to do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, down at the bottom of my wallet in my mobile app, I'm going to click on swap, and then I'm going to use USDT, BEP20, and I'm going to use debt. I'm going to buy debt. Now, if you don't have, well, then never mind, just scratch that. But then I'm going to go down, and you see how it is not giving me the highlighted swap because I haven't put anything in. So I'm going to buy $25 worth. worth of USDT, and which is 1.29 debt, and I'm just going to say swap. You see the network fee. This is usually around 0.2 something or 0.1, so it's like more than double the amount of the network fees that it would normally cost me. And I'm just going to click confirm. Okay, it's asking me to confirm again. And if you notice, it's not asking me to, it's not giving me that, uh, uh, it's not telling me to, it's not giving me an authorization limit where I would normally have to put in a limit there to keep it from having to revoke a approval. Confirm. Okay, so it's just finished the transaction, updating it about 1.29. And if I go to my wallet, I look at debt. I see I have the 31.29. That's because I only had 30 before. If I click on debt and I look at my transactions, you see it shows that I received 1.29. And that's how you buy tokens using the swap feature in Safepal app.